Hey, what's up, fam? Welcome to day 52 and day 21 of our challenge for the flat stomach. So it is day 52 of our Run the Year 2021, where we're going to post every day for this year, and we're going to get to 2,021 miles. So that's in the works. We're making that happen. We got our run in this morning, but now we're going to get our last day of the 22-day flat stomach challenge. And so today is going to be pretty easy. It's kind of again, static and dynamic, where we're going to stand and do 5 repetitions, 20 seconds a piece. And then we'll do the step out, which again will be 5 reps, 5 reps, 20 seconds a piece. I'm laughing because our timekeeper, again, forgot her watch. So she just ran in the house to get it. So, but with that, we'll begin. And first of all, before I forget, let me welcome all of our viewers and subscribers to the channel. This channel is all about motivation. It's all about moving that body. It's all about making it happen. So if you get some value out of it, go ahead and hit that like button down below. And with that, we'll get started. And here we go. And she has the timer, so we'll get started. All right. All right, here we go. 20 seconds, and this is just a standing flex, right? Standing hold, and begin. So all we're gonna do is stand and squeeze, right? Squeeze it in, work the transverse abdominis and the pelvic floor. Just work those in.
So are you kind of tucking your butt?
Yes, you're squeezing your butt cheeks. I didn't want to say that, but yeah.
Well, the people have to know,
right?
Because sometimes.
Okay, that's 1 down. Number 2, and begin. Big squeeze. And what we're saying, people have to know.
Yeah, the people have to know. Because sometimes just looking, it's hard to
right.
be able to tell exactly
right.
what you're doing.
And big squeeze, number 3. And again, what we'll do is I'll put the static and the dynamic exercise right up here. So you'll see how we got here. The first 7 days, it was the static. Then the second set of 7 days was the dynamic. And then the third set of 7 days is we combine them. Number 4. Proud of you, Chris. You got it in. You making it happen.
Yeah.
It's the last day.
I can't wait to see what you have planned for us next.
Oh, you know we're going to have some fun. Come on. You know we're going to have some fun. Keep squeezing. Keep squeezing. Last one of this one, of the static. Begin. I see the parrots are doing their nightly feed. So they're flying around. I don't know if you can hear them, but they're flying around, going crazy. All right. Now we're going to do the step out. So we'll step to the right first and begin. All right, that's 1. Begin, number 2. And it's not a big movement, but it is a movement. And it's just to keep the body, to focus on keeping that tension in, keeping it tight. Okay, let's slide down a little bit more. So we're in the frame, okay? We'll start to the right again. Number 3. Remember, keep that tight. Think about squeezing your abs so your belly button is moving toward your spine. All right, this is number 3.
Oh,
4.
4.
Number 4, here we go. And then for the pelvic floor, it's like, just imagine, for men, just imagine you're going to you're peeing and you have to cut it off. That's the feel that you want to feel for the pelvic floor.
And for women, it's probably similar to the Kegel exercises in having a baby when you strengthen those muscles.
Got that? Kegel exercises and having a baby. Okay.
Strengthening that.
It's strengthening. Okay. All right. I'm with
You wouldn't know about that.
No, don't know nothing about it. Last set. Here we go. Well, I did have 3 babies, right?
Yeah, through me.
I didn't physically have them, but I was around for them.
Right, but I bet you remember that shot.
Oh, don't talk about that. We're not going to talk about that. All right, so that's number 5. Okay, guys. Hey, appreciate you. You did an awesome job. That was rep number 5. So we did 2 reps of 5 for a total of 10, and that's 1 set. So now we have 2 more sets to do. We'll do that after. We'll do it off camera. You go get yours in. But again, we're proud of you. Again, this is the channel where everything's uncut. So you get what you get, and that's what you're going to get. So with that, hey, proud of you. Hit me with a hashtag RickRayPoint if you got yours in. If you like what you saw, go ahead and hit that like button down below. And if this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hey, to help us out. And so with that, hey, invest in yourself, invest in your health. We'll talk to you tomorrow.